Hello and welcome to Mitch Madness. This is episode 15 of the barndominium series. The weather problems that I mentioned in the last episode 2 months ago are continuing, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop ever. The most significant accomplishment since the last episode is that I was able to finish grading the dirt on the floor and started installing the gravel. I also spread and compacted some gravel in front of the garage doors. I spread and graded the floor gravel the best I could, and this needs to be completed by the concrete guys who will be doing the slab. They were scheduled to do this about 2 weeks ago, but I had to postpone the job because I needed another gravel delivery, and this could not be done because of the driveway being too soft from too much rain. We got a 5-day break from rain a couple of weeks ago, so the gravel has been delivered, but now I need to wait for another window of availability for the concrete guys. You can see in these pictures the difference between February and now. The next steps are the concrete guys need to complete the final gravel grading on the floor, then I get the ball again to install the radiant floor heat insulation and tubing, then the slab gets poured. To illustrate how much rain I've gotten there, take a look at the left side of the house. This is at the base of the slope at the side yard. I have not been able to drive the tractor in that area for months without getting stuck badly in the mud. So much silt has eroded from the hill down the slope towards the building that all of that nasty mud is now nice and level without any intervention from me. While waiting for things to happen again inside the house, I've been keeping myself very busy with other outside tasks, mainly landscaping type stuff. I've made great progress on building the roads for the RV park. Finding a big pile of fill at the property next door and using that with his permission was a big help there. I need to scrounge up some more fill, and that whole deal will be ready for final surfacing. We bought and planted 3 trees at the side and rear corner of the house. I have a nice plan for some landscaping at the rear corner around the tree. Cleanup from January's ice storm is finally complete, and I've done a lot of other property maintenance here and there, like trimming trees and shrubs and stuff like that. I installed a nice new fence to keep folks from having to see my piles of junk, which will be removed in the future. A neighbor told us of a cool off-grid structure located at the property next door. This thing has been abandoned and is super cool. Watch for a future episode for just this after I get some more photos. I finished installing the garage floor drain. This thing was a bad call. It is designed to be used outdoors to catch rain or gutter water, and the connections on it leaked really badly. I wanted to build a shed using the lumber that I harvested from the old house, but there's just not time, and I am now paying over $500 a month for 2 storage units. The 10 by 20 shed is real nice, and the machine they used to get it positioned was really cool. Finally for today, the guys from Liberty Underground Utilities showed up to install the septic tank. There is already an existing septic system on the property, but the original tank is now buried below the garage somewhere. This new tank will tie into the existing field lines. We have another 10 days of rain coming, so this is another thing that will probably be delayed, but so far it's going well and quickly. All of this was done in 1 day. The system will include a dump station for RV use. Alright, this wraps up another astonishing segment of the Mitch Madness Barndominium series. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. My hope is that the next episode will show the completion of the septic system and the installation of the radiant floor heat tubing, after which we should be on our way. See ya!